新鲜，新鲜，新鲜。In Asian, 新 was written as. The right part refers to an axe. The left part shows a tree was logged by the axe. Wood is very important building material in ancient China. So the original meaning of this character is new wood. In modern Chinese, 新 means new. In Asian, 鲜 was written as. The left part is a fish, the right part is a goat. Asian people think fish and mutton are very tasty and delicious, so they use the fish and the mutton to make the soup and name it 鲜. So the original meaning of 鲜 is tasty, 鲜. The extended meanings are fresh, 新鲜. 新鲜, 新 means new, 鲜 means tasty, so 新鲜 is fresh. 这些香蕉看起来不太新鲜，别吃了。